后来乡亲啊，回头继续来看美国甲以色列联手针对伊朗发动着攻击。川普强调讲，这届攻击有4大目标，其中一个目标是要确保伊朗永远无法度摕到核子武器。川普嘛用媒体交代着战争上升的状况，伊讲美军会继续对伊朗来进行大规模作战的行动，目前的进度已经大幅超前。
美国中央司令部公布上新的画面，显示美军空袭伊朗飞弹的发射装置，彻底消灭敌军飞弹威胁的同时，嘛上准伊朗的战斗机甲无人机进行精准的轰炸。五角大厦阁公布，美军维修并且出动B-1轰炸机支援实施怒火军事行动。美国甲以色列做伙拍伊朗。川普伫昨头一摆向媒体交代上新的战况。
An Iranian regime armed with long-range missiles and nuclear weapons would be an intolerable threat to the Middle East, but also to the American people, our country itself.
川普强调讲，这摆行动有4大目标：第一，摧毁伊朗的飞弹能力；第二，消灭伊朗的海军；第三，必须让恐怖主义赞助国伊朗永远无法度取得核武；最后，要确保伊朗袂当阁继续帮助地区的武装势力。
We projected 4 to 5 weeks, but we have capability to go far longer than that.
川普放调讲，美军唔来使阁继续拍。接受 CNN 电话访问的时，阁讲美军根本也未提出真本事。
And then the president said, it's about to get even less safe. He said, quote, we haven't even started hitting them hard. The big wave hasn't even happened. The big one is coming soon.
川普接受纽约邮报访问时嘛，讲若是有这个必要，有可能会派地面部队去伊朗，只是地区的战火愈探愈快。卡达国防部昨讲，军方侦测到3粒巡弋飞弹、101粒弹道飞弹、39台无人机、甲2台苏凯2式的战斗机。飞弹甲战斗机有炸落来，ยัง无互部分无人机拍到，强调讲。卡达会保留反击权利。
There were attempts, multiple attempts at targeting the airport. Thankfully, all of them have failed. But this is a clear sign that the targeting is not only towards military infrastructure; it's targeting also civilian and commercial infrastructure.
美军以先发制人空袭伊朗，ยัง无将中东的盟友拢牵落难。地区的冲突已经豆豆向全面开战的发展。
Hello， 我是林纯佩。想要掌握最及时的新闻资讯或是体坛动态吗？赶快按赞、订阅、开启小铃铛，锁定华视新闻的 YouTube 频道。